Hi everyone. So today I and my crew member are going to talk about electronic data interchange. So let's get into that.
Definition of electronic data interchange (EDI) refers to the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard electronic format between business partners. It allows companies to exchange documents such as purchase order, invoice, shipping notice, and various other transactions without human intervention. EDI is used to improve the speed and accuracy of exchange of business documents, reducing the need for paper-based processes and manual intervention. It plays a crucial role in facilitating seamless communication between different businesses, streamlining supply chain process, and reducing costs associated with manual data entry and processing. EDI standards provide a common format for data exchange, enabling different organizations to communicate with each other reliably.
Transaction authorization and validation is the process of approving and confirming a financial transaction. It ensures that the transaction meets certain requirements and is valid. Authorization involves verifying the identity and credentials of the person initiating the transaction. To authorize or reject a transaction. On the Oracle Financial Service Lending and Leasing application home screen, click the Servicing. After that, click Transaction Authorization and then click the Authorization. Number 1 checker. To display all transactions within or under login checkers, hierarchy for authorization and having status as waiting for approval. Number 2 maker. To display data in descending order of the in the below order, waiting for approval, rejected, error, posted. To review request. Number 1 on the Oracle Financial Service Lending and Leasing application home page. Click the Servicing main tab and then click the Servicing drop-down link. Click the Customer Service link. Number 2 in the review request record, the system display all open review requests you have received. To send a review request, number 1 on the Oracle Financial Service Lending and Leasing application home page. Click the Servicing main tab and then click the Servicing drop-down link. Click the review request tab. Number 2 in the review request page in the query section, select of the matter. Number 3, click the activate a new review request. The following screen is displayed. Number 4, in the priority field, select the priority of the review request, high, normal, or low, which have the recipient in the responding to request. It does not affect the order is which message or sent or received. Number 5, in the receiver field, select the person you want to receive the message. Number 3, in the account hashtag field, select property the account involved with the review request. The default value will appear in the status field. In the reason field, select the purpose of the review request. Number 8, in the originator comment field, specify any additional message you want to send along with the review request. Number 9, click Save and Add or Save and Return to review request is created and then Send Request button is enabled in the Action section. Number 10, in the Action section, click Send Request. To respond or review request. Number 1, in the Oracle Financial Service Lending and Leasing application home page, click the Servicing main tab and then click the Servicing drop-down link. click the customer service link. If the number of pending review request tab display a number, click the review request tab. On the review request page query section, select the receiver. In the review request record, select the record you want to review and click view. Number 2, click open account. Number 3, perform request task on review request on the account. Click the review request tab, select the request and click edit. Specify your response in the receiver comment field, click save and return. Number 4, in the action, select click send and request. Number 5, in the action section, click close request. To close a review request, number 1, on the Oracle Financial Service Lending and Receipt application homepage, click the Supervising main tab and then click the Supervising drop-down link. Number 2, click the Customer Service link. Number 3, on the Customer Service link, click the Review Request tab. Number 4, select the request you want to close in the Review Request section. Number 5, in the Action section, click Close Request.
Let me explain about the definition of access control. Is a mechanism for an electronic data interchange system that is crucial for enhanced security. Therefore, this mechanism ensures that only authorized user or entity can access, transit or modify data within the electronic data interchange system. Furthermore, the electronic data interchange is network that require the formulation of cooperative control among network members to prevent the first of all is fraud and authorized transaction. Then, the new controls for both network and individual network members are necessary to safeguarding our asset and ensure the integrity of financial report that they made from that. Aspect of access control are users authentication that explain users and entity are required to authentication themselves. Next, role-based access control, that is access is often based on the roles and responsibility within the organization. Third is access revocation. This is because if a user or entity is no longer required to access the electronic data interchange. Fourth is access permission. This is granted and need to know the basis of them. 5 is two-factor authentication, that is electronic data interchange system need the additional verification step to access them. Last is logging and monitoring. This access is often that monitor the users of activity. The type of access control is classified into physical control and program control. Physical control includes security measures that such as placing computer and terminal in designated area only for employee security guard. For additional information, security some terminals should be designed to retrieve data only. Finally, let me explain about the program control. Include assignment of password and employee identification code with various data processing capability. For example, personnel of receiving department could be assigned password that enable them to access the purchase order file and vendor delivery notice file.
Audit trails are a vital tool used by accountants to hold corporations accountable for their actions. Without the use of audit trails to confirm financial information, there would be no reason to believe in the company's financial reports. In this way, audit trails not only protect consumers from frauds reporting, they also help in the EDI way, which means if information security procedures, paper documents and paper backup files are missing, the EDI, which is electronic data interchange data flow, can now be documented internally between company and trading partners or consumers or suppliers. The first control strategy through the audit trail is transactions are entered directly without preparation of source documents. It means in the EDI system, all the transactions such as invoices can be entered without any permission or without anything since it is an online system. The next control strategy is that source documents are batched then entered via entry terminals. First of all, the EDI system will give one batch number to each transaction details that we attach in that. That batch number is useful as a reference and it is easy to track any transactions that we wanted in that time. Means we no need to find out one by one. We just put the batch number in that system to get the transaction details. The third control strategy is that source documents are entered as received. It means a program routine assigns electric documents to batches that are automatically numbered, while computer created sources documents are batched and filed by the entry station. That's all from us. Thank you.